What's up, y'all?
Brad, there's actually fishing here.
Yeah, we're fishing.
Yeah, we just had it.
We can see the little blue geese.
I literally am looking at a whole school of them.
Yeah. The thing is, this pond's very clear. No! Get away from my bread, you stink. Comments down below, who do you think will catch the fish first? I think none of us. Actually, I think one of us is going to end up catching at least a fish. Because I straight up did just have one.
Same.
I didn't have it on video.
He took my dang bait again! There's literally a whole school of them right now.
Yeah, there is. It's good. Got it right out in the middle. I'm about to get one. Dadgummit.
Took my dang bait. Now I got a lot of bait on, so. That's what I'm saying, big one.
Oh, I thought Goose was trying. You know what?
I'm hoping to come something.
Set the hook, Terry.
Took my dang bait.
These old goblins. These daggum fish suck, bro. They suck.
Next thing you know, 10-pounder pulled.
Next thing you know,
I see a good bait.
we're using this type of hook. This is probably gonna be like a 10-minute long video.
Are we making a long video right now?
Yeah,
How long?
like however long it takes till we leave.
So like 10, 15, 20 minutes.
I have no idea.
We have to make another long video. You deleted your other long video.
Yeah, it's because I was talking about Sarah in it.
Huh?
I was talking about Sarah in it and I broke up with her. Yes! Yo! Bluegill! 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 I repeat, bluegill!
He choked it. We have to keep this joker.
Hey, I got one! Yeah! Yes, sir!
Mine choked. I'm telling you.
Yeah!
Keep this one.
We is not filleting that joker.
I'm filleting him. Because he's going to go back and tell all his friends, no, they killed me.
Look at that, guys.
No.
Nice bluegill. Oh, crap.
North Carolina, we like to respect wildlife.
He's not. Oh! 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 Hank got it.
Oh.
Feel bad for that fish. Yeah, let's go!
Two fish on the board. Holy crap, he's actually eating them.
Oh, I just held his brain, his skull crunch.
Oh, look at him now. He's all chewed up.
It's like a chew toy for him.
I know. He choked it.
I feel like this video is gonna be good.
I did not believe Randolph was actually fishing him.
Yeah, he didn't believe me at first. What about now, I'm like, how about now, Miss Benson?
Bro, I'm gonna make it where this bobber goes so under the water. Bro, we haven't even used one piece of bread.
I know, bro. We already got 2 fish.
Dang, bro, look at all this bluegill.
I know, bro. Should've brought a cast net. Cast net's kind of cheating, by the way.
Now people can
What?
They're sharing the video. On repeat. I'm about to get bite. Look at all those bluegills.
By my bobber, look at mine.
I'm sinking in the mud.
I think I'm about to catch one. Yeah, gummit.
Are you still filming?
Yeah.
Hopefully this footage is good.
We're looking at 5 minutes so far. 7 minutes is the longest video, but I deleted it.
We're gonna make a 20-minute video.
Once this pond, you know how this pond's not restocked. It's from the fish. I mean, from birds that get the they go into other ponds and then they grab food as these bluegill, and then the birds accidentally drop it in this pond. It's not restocked at all. I see them.
Huh?
I see them.
There's like 100.
I'm crashing. I'm turning into Mason Newman. Oh. Can you hear me?
I just smushed mine on the hook.
I'll make a little ball and then do it.
I just had one with the freak. I see a couple big ones. Like I'm saying, like,
Hey! Put on a little piece of bait.
a little.
Yeah, like a little. Look at him, guys. Gave y'all, huh?
You actually caught one.
Guys, he was buried. No, he was hooked kind of good. His dorsal fin poking me kind of good. I'll show y'all his fins in just a sec after I get this hook out. If y'all ain't country. Alright, so you got his fins right there. Right there. Then you got the tail right there. Yep. Then you got the dorsal fin right there. And then, I'm not showing y'all the gills, but you know why it's called a bluegill? It's because the gills are blue. And we need to give him
Holy bluegill! Look at that right there.
Holy crap.
Go back. Come back.
I know, but I don't know. No! Hey, come here. They'll come back. What was that sound?
What? I said what? I don't say curse words.
No, I thought I heard like a little ding sound. Hey, come here.
No! Hey! Hey, come! Come, hey!
What? What did you say about my dog?
Sit! Hank,
He wants to
sit.
come by me.
Stay! Sit! Stay! Dummy.
Huh?
Sit! Sit your butt down.
I see them actually. Watch. Go to youth group tonight. You don't have to. Why? Do you want to? Do you want to? Are we moving camp down a little bit? I say let's move down a little bit. Alright. Dumbass. Hey!
You know what I say, Randall?
What?
We go on the other side of the pond. That's what I say. Like right across.
I'm not going over there. I want that fountain to turn on.
Then since you ain't going over there, I'm gonna grab a piece of bread and go.
Bring the whole thing over there, cause
Are you coming?
yeah, I'll be over there in a sec. What corner? Bet. Where?
Right there. See it?
Oh yeah. Dummies, go down.
Are you still videoing?
Yeah.
Delete and restart.
Why? Yeah, we already caught fish. Next thing you know. A wise man once said! The thing was, I had my bail open.
Hold on. I'm telling you, bro, delete and restart.
I'm not restarting.
Bro, let me tell you something.
Tell me. Holy crap, that's like a mother load of blue geeks.
Holy crap.
Look at that, if y'all can't see.
I'm gonna catch one. Trust. Trust, huh? Trust the end.
Alright, holy, I just ate crap. I slipped right there.
Bro.
No! You wanna pack it up?
Go where?
Home.
Bro, we're literally catching fish.
Well, look at the dogs. They ate all of our bread.
Nuh-uh, they did not eat all of our bread.
They ate the bread on top.
And there's more. Let's finish out this whole bread. Because we're catching fish.
Alright, finish up the whole bread.
Yeah.
Bet.
No, Hank! Just give me a little piece.
Don't step on my hook now.
Char, matey.
Hey! What?
Ow, the rod took just smacked me real hard. Oh, shoot.
Can you get me some, please?
You already have to.
I don't.
Alright, there. No, I'm about to catch a big one.
Bro, you have so much bread on.
Oh, you saw that. The fish are just rage baiting us. No, Hank.
Guys, we got a new fish called rage baiting fish. Or it might be we can't. Well, actually, we can catch them. Because we just did. I hate having to bend over like 10 millimeters. Can you give me a piece of bread?
It's right there.
And if it's right there, then get me some. set the hook, set the hook, set the hook. They're nibbling your bait away right now. They're starting to rage bait you. Go down!
Bro, there's so many good leading, bro. Just fight them.
No, I know how to get the that. Trying to foul hook him. You know it's illegal to foul hook trout. No, striper.
What if you accidentally do it?
And you accidentally you go to jail. I think. I'll tell you when your bobber is under.
I was gonna have one freak. The freak pond. I'm gonna cast it out deeper because that's where all the big ones are. We're real close.
With this light of a setup, you gotta. No, my bobber broke. Next thing you know. What? Alright, I'm gonna edit this video.
Bro, I gotta go to church, bro. No, I'm fine. No, hold on. Let me catch one more thing.
I gotta edit this video, but y'all, we enjoyed it. We only caught 3 fish. I caught 2. He caught 1. 17-minute long video, longest video of yet.
6, 7.
All right, peace out, y'all. I'll throw you on the water.